Hello everyone, welcome to Joanne Creates, where I create videos about art supplies, bullet journaling, and other things. Today is the first day of October, and I did get in my nice new sketchbook, and it's made by Speedball, so it should handle ink quite well, and it did say light washes, so that's great news for me. Anyways, I put the prompt list for Inktober in the first page so that I could reference it. And I have my first day of October. I have the prompt, which is crystals, drawn out in this Prismacolor Colorase Red pencil. I find when I start drawing on these videos, sometimes you can't see it and it takes a while. I don't know. So I am deciding to draw these ahead. Anyways, I'm going to be inking, and I have a few of my supplies here. I don't know if I'm going to actually be using the colored ink in this one or not, but when I do, one of the little things that I do, I keep my daughter's Tylenol dosage, I guess there's syringe. I keep these and basically use them afterwards for ink and other things, because a lot of the ink products don't come with droppers. I'm not sure why, but they don't. So that's my workaround. But I'm not sure if I'm going to be using that today. Also, another thing, I don't think I'm going to be updating every day. That's just way too demanding. But I will have Draw With Me videos within the month of October. And I will probably be keeping you up to date. Just do a little walkthrough of what I've done this week and that week. I will definitely post a video every week, so thank you. So I'm just going to probably do this in double time or triple time, and you can have a watch while I do it. So this is my first day, October 1st. The prompt was crystal. Let me know if you're posting yours online or what you're doing for Inktober down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I should, as I said earlier, I should have something new every week. And I'll probably show progress reports. And I may have touched this up even further. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, like and subscribe down below, and I will see you next week. Thanks. Bye.